So we're going to start by taking this knee panel out of the way. There's 3 mounting screws underneath, Phillips head screwdriver. You have 3 mounting screws down here. You can use a socket or a Phillips. This only helps take the steering column cowl out. So with those missing, there's 2 push pins. So you're just going to grab it and give it a pull. Now you have another Phillips. There's one here and one identical on the other side. Use your Phillips and unscrew it. Take the other side out. Now we're going to grab the steel plate. It has 3 guide pins down below. Just pull it out. 2 guide pins. So now you're going to take the knob off the headlight switch with the knee pad out of the way. On the actual switch itself, on the inboard side, there's a little chrome button. It might be hard to see, but you push in on that button and then pull out on the handle. So there it is right there. Well, she wanted to come out. There it is. So when taking that handle out, this is the button I'm talking about when you're going to reach up underneath and push on that, and then you can pull the actual, pull that out. I'm just going to grab firmly and just give it a pull. So with a flathead screwdriver, I'm going to put it right in that slotted area. We're going to turn counterclockwise. You can unturn the little device screw that holds that switch in, the headlight switch. Now you can just reach up underneath, try to get that switch to come down. There it is. Now we're going to disconnect the single prong right there by squeezing it, and then we'll flip over the main switch. Looks like a flathead screwdriver will come in handy here. And we're just going to pop that up and do the same on the other side. See if we can keep working it back and forth. Double check your connector. No melted, no corrosion. Wires are all in contact. Now we're going to take our new switch and plug it into the connector. And then the ground goes right up there. Now we're going to weasel it up through. It is kind of a tight fit. There we go. We'll take our bolt, the heading of it, and you're going to go right into the entry of the switch. I'm going to try to start it by hand. Take over with my flathead screwdriver. So then you're going to tighten this up until you feel it bottom out. Now we can put the dash back together. Now we can put our cowl back around the trim. I'm going to see if I go this way. There we go. I like to leave the tilt steering wheel all the way down so it's easier to get just a seat. And then we go. We can line everything up, give it a push. Then we have our mounting screws, all Phillips. And there's 2 on the actual, right under the light switch. While we're here, we might as well put this rubber piece together. Let's see how this guides in right there. Just pull it tight, slide it in. Rehook up the headlight switch. Just feel it slide in, and it will lock in. And then just give it a good push in, and then you'll hear it pop, click into place. And there we go. To put the steel plate back up, put those 2 guides right in, lift it up, and you'll see the 2 mounting screws, one here and one over there, and they're Phillips. Now we're going to put the plastic piece back. So you're going to line up the 2 push pins and the guides right here. The red felt is for the guide on both sides. Push. Now you have the 3 mounting bolts down below. 1. Looking good. Now we just need to put the radio trim in, manipulate it down through. Light up the push pins and then snap it in.